Hey, what's up everybody? I'm here. We're going to be doing a hack video, another one, of Subway Surfers. Okay, you're going to be needing Lucky Patcher. So you got to go to Google and type in Lucky Patcher. Lucky Patcher. And just do the second one, the Android download. Lucky Patcher 653 for Android download. And you're supposed to download it, the giant word that says download, and then go on it. And then go on Subway Surf, open menu of patches, create an APK file, do the second bottom one, this one right here, do that one, and you're supposed to rebuild app, press that. I'm not gonna do that because I already have it, and then it'll gonna be a few minutes until it downloads, and then go on Subway Surf. Okay guys, it's on, but it's still loading, but I hear the music, so it's about to be on. Dun, dun, dun. Right now I have that tiger guy, so go and shop, and then once you do that, you have that much money, and when it says you can't buy that, wait a minute, let me just waste all my money right now. Use it on all this. No, on this. Okay guys, I cannot waste all my money. It's gonna take like hours, so I already spent a lot. And when it says you can't buy that, you pressed, it costs money, like on one of these, connecting Google Play, and then oh yeah, and then it says this. Okay, and then like it says this. And press yes, and then I got more money. So, and it actually works. You know I can't edit. You know I can't do those like those. I can't try to make my intro because you know I can't edit. I don't know how, and as you can see, it actually works. So let's just run. Just use all these, There we go. As you can see, it actually works. And I'm gonna try and die. And I got all the coins. There. Okay guys, see you in the next video. See you later in the next video.